We build our world. Before we begin, briefly, let's focus our attention upon a certain situation. Imagine a continuous flow of money traveling inbound. It experiences no resistance because it seeks you. Imagine that establishing this situation as a permanent part of our life involves following a proven method, a template of success. What if this involves leveraging a powerful capability that anyone can use? Want to know all the details? Merely by painting this picture in our mind, we get a taste of the feelings of security this produces. And we want to find out exactly how we can experience this in real life. And the good news: we can create financial security so that we feel secure financially. Welcome to Better World Zone, where we provide valuable explanations of methodologies and activities that all of us can complete to move us toward the life we desire, individually and as a community. In this specific lesson, we identify often overlooked details of exactly how we can leverage one of our most easily used and most potent forces as a tool to live our dream life. And, although most people understand the general concept of focused intention, few people use it successfully. Why? Because few recognize the nuances between focus and intention. So throughout this lesson, we'll explore specific examples of how we integrate these separate and distinct concepts, both into our thoughts and into our actions, in ways to merge our desired future with our outer world. What then does focused intention mean? And how can each of us harness it to attract more wealth into our life? Focus involves aligning energies into a more coherent image. Want to learn how to cultivate and to sustain focus in a way which weaves the fibers that comprise the tapestry of our future life? Ensure to take mental notes while watching this entire video, because we must dive very deep into the fascinating world of how we can restructure one important habit into a powerful force that results in a sustained experience of life within a framework of abundance. Let's explore intention. How our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Powerful strategies. Proven techniques to release our inner waters of abundance. Expectation. Knowledge and perspective enable us to intend, to expect. To get specific results. Outcomes of abundance. Here at Better World Zone, we show exactly how our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. In fact, in the not-too-distant future, we'll reveal exactly what we use these techniques to build, something that previously nearly everyone claimed as impossible. So, subscribe now to start to experience life as part of our best world. Again, welcome to Better World Zone, where we build our world. In this lesson, we delve into important details which amplify our power of focused intention. Let's plant our inner seeds and cultivate our seedlings that will grow into our desired future, our life with increased abundance. First, cultivate an intention to receive by using declarations. Some examples include verbal and written declarations such as, "It's time for me to earn more money every year." "It's time for me to sell a little more every month." Or, "It's time to live a wealthy life now." Proven technique: enlist the help of a mirror. With ease, we can grow our thought forms of intentions ever stronger with a mirror, because declaring these statements of intention verbally while looking into our own eyes in a mirror gets the attention of our subconscious in a way that few other things can, directly, immediately, and with very clear focus. Secondly, cultivate an expectation to receive. Perhaps compare this to planting a sunflower seed. As always, we expect it to grow into a vibrantly colored sunflower. Do we simply plant the seed, walk away, and then return only to harvest? No. Not unless in advance we know that the soil contains all required nutrients, that soil moisture will exist during the growing season, and that we planted our seed amid protection from creatures that would eat it or destroy it. In a similar manner, regarding our expectation to attain our goals and dreams, we must verify all necessary elements exist to result in our desired future. And similar to how we review progress of our sunflower's growth between planting time and harvest time, a wise person reviews progress toward our dream. Failing to do such reveals subconscious self-sabotage. So, between inception and attainment of our dream, we verify and nurture our thought form by a combination of repeating the cognitive exercises we teach here at Better World Zone and sustained physical actions that lead us ever closer to our dream. We expect our desired outcome because we undertake a series of actions that we know hold the highest probability to result in our dream. Metaphorically, we loosen the soil for our thought form roots to absorb both minerals and water more quickly and more easily. We nourish our thought form of our dream with water, light, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide so that it grows to maturity most quickly. We can compare this to regular inner actions and our outer actions which support our thought form en route to our final goal. In another sense, we can compare expectations to sunshine, or as if gentle encouragement that the money we desire already started to travel to us, and positive affirmation declarations which we write and we speak. As in our example, it's time to live a wealthy life. Help to open the apertures of our inner mind to receive money in the now time frame. Proven technique. Again, enlist the help of a mirror. Remember, declaring personalized statements of expectation verbally while looking into our own eyes in a mirror gets the attention of our subconscious in a way that few other things can. Directly, immediately, and with very clear focus. Some examples include, I expect to earn more money this year. I expect to sell a little more every month. And I expect to live a wealthy life now. Exercises that strengthen both intentions and expectations. Gratitude. It helps to start with a warm-up exercise. Declare 3 things which produce a feeling of appreciation. A warm cup of coffee, a supportive parent, a roof overhead. Visualization. Stand in front of the mirror. With eyes closed, imagine receiving the desired level of money. Hold some paper money. Feel the texture of this crisp bill, or a handful of bills, or the weight of coins. Smell them. Hold this near the ear to hear the sound of fingers rubbing paper bills on other bills, or fingers rubbing them. While doing this, imagine the increased money in our desired future. This mental activity creates thought forms which resonate into the world. They establish a magnetic pull, as if a magnet that attracts similar experiences into your life. Positive affirmations. Verbalize a factual positive affirmation concerning some level of abundance present now. Perhaps, I earn enough money to buy an unexpected gift for my mother. Or, money comes to me easily now. Therefore, I can afford to buy an unexpected gift for myself. Or, my actions right now increase money's movement in my direction. A fact that these exercises can make clear if sustained long enough to rewrite subconscious habits. Expectation involves strategic alignment of our thoughts with the reality we desire. In essence, our expectation broadcasts our readiness to accept and to receive possibilities of increased levels of abundance present everywhere. Make a mental note of this extremely helpful and often overlooked detail, a nugget of wisdom learned by first-hand experience. We found that it helps to release attachment to an overly specific outcome when envisioning a specific thing by periodically throughout a session, and especially at the end, to state or something better. Why? Because this solidifies an expectation of receiving at least something more. By doing this, very often opportunities we might not otherwise recognize will arise. To summarize these incalculably valuable concepts, take inspired action to align our inner world to focus on our goal. Warm up by expressing gratitude for some existing abundance now. Visualize the act of experiencing our dream, our desired end state. Trust the universe. For positive affirmations of intention, start with the words, "It's time." For positive affirmations of expectation, start with the words, "I expect." Whenever possible, verbalize our both positive affirmations of intention and of expectation while looking directly eye to eye at ourselves in a mirror. This action imprints our words into the subconscious with direct focus. Trust our subconscious to find abundance that we can recognize so that we can make it tangible. Release attachment to overly specific outcomes by verbalizing or something better. Take inspired action to align our outer physical world to focus on our goal. Do things which move our world closer to living our dream. Leverage the power of focused intention in the ways we described in this video. Remember, life involves a journey, and acquiring money involves more than merely a metaphorical destination. It involves a process to align our thoughts and our actions with abundance already existing everywhere. Enjoy the process, experiment, and find what works best at an individual level. Trust intuition, remain positive, include a little fun, and believe in the power of our abundant universe. By applying this knowledge regularly, we strengthen multiple connections to our most abundant life, including surplus money and many other forms of prosperity. These exercises involve accessing an increasingly larger portion of our own potential. Attracting money involves overriding our baseline thoughts with thoughts that incorporate abundance. As waveforms of abundance radiate outward, we create a closed loop of our positive energy of abundance. Our journey to becoming an embodiment of abundance and money involves continuous dances. Better World Zone's valuable insights help to re-energize our journey by refocusing our thoughts and actions daily. The activities we teach here increase our momentum in merging our outer world with our inner world. To this end, Better World Zone provides valuable insights to accelerate all of us on our pathway to success. So, to maintain forward momentum and to unlock even more abundance, we invite everyone to hit the like button, which actually shows your subconscious that you see value in this, like saying, "Pay attention." Leave a comment about how you want to apply these principles of success in your life, because every like and constructive comment helps to empower others to recognize additional opportunities in their lives. For more tips on financial manifestation, subscribe to Better World Zone to receive notifications of Better World Zone's new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel you on your journey to greater abundance and success. Until next time, radiate that inner light. Shine brightly, beautiful souls. We build our world.